I'm stuck with you, stuck with you, stuck with you.
Guys, welcome or welcome back to Love Bubbles. So today I'm gonna show you guys how to make your own DIY t-shirt in Roblox, and it's very simple. So I got a few that I made before. Clothing, t-shirts. Okay, so I made this, and plenty more. Okay, so today I'm gonna teach you guys how to make this DIY t-shirt. It's very simple, and today's app you'll be needing is Roblox, Chrome, Google, or Pinterest. That's the app that we need today. So first off, you want to head over to Pinterest or Google. I don't have Pinterest, so I'm just gonna go to Google. So I'm just gonna search for Roblox gray t-shirt. Oops, forgot to space. Gray t-shirt. Okay, let's see. Wow, this one is actually really pretty. I like this one. This one's really pretty. I should get this one. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna long press, just download the image, or if you're using Pinterest, you can screenshot it. Now we're gonna go there to the place where I download. Oops, I think it brought me the PixArt. Yes, I knew it. Oopsie, sorry guys. Okay, after I do that, I'm going to go to my gallery. Be right back. Okay guys, so I'm in my gallery right now, and I'm just gonna crop all the excess that I don't want. I'm just gonna do it something like this. If you have the screenshot, you gotta get rid of all the Pinterest thing on the bottom there. So I have it here now. Oopsie. Okay, I have it here. Okay, now I wanna go to Chrome and search for Roblox. Okay, now I'm inside Roblox. So what you're gonna do is head over to create. Okay, so when you come to create, it'll become like this. Now you can see at Chrome there, there's these 3 dots. Okay guys, oops. Sorry guys, I'm doing a lot of mistakes today. Well, whatever, just go to the 3 dots and press desktop site, and it'll be a manage my experience button right there. Okay, now once you get in here, you can see some places, models, decals, and more, and we're gonna head over and press t-shirt. Okay, once you got to t-shirts, press choose file, and we're gonna press documents, and then get the photo that you just uploaded, that you just cropped, sorry. Now I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna name it purple music t-shirt. And once you do that, you just press upload. Okay, come here. Now let's try it on. You can see it right there. So we want to go ahead over to, if you guys want to sell it, you can go to configure. See here, you can write the description, you can change the name, and you can go press sales. Press item for sale. And you can make whatever price you want. But if you guys want to sell it, you need 10 Robux. So if you guys have Robux, you can totally do it. So guys, that's the end of the video. If you find this really helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for me to support this channel too. So yeah, bye guys!